Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. We are here in Eden Garden Resort in Davao City. Welcome here in Davao City. Let's go! Everything here is a wonderful flower town. Hello guys! You see? It's so nice and beautiful here in Eden Garden Resort. Okay guys, this is it.
O, sabay tawanan sa katabi tawanan.
Tiyang!
O, one more nagulat sa katabi nagulat.
Group picture daw ay. Bye guys, see you later, okay? Magpapapa-group picture muna kami. Bye bye guys. Bye guys. Hello guys, welcome back. Medyo umulan kaya hindi tayo makaka-video for now. So later on, I will continue my vlog. So, umuulan. Pero kahit umuulan, enjoy pa rin siya. You see, everything there has a rainbow. There. Rainbow. You can see it. For now, let's go first in the coffee. 391.
Feel the freshness of the air. Okay, Pitonia on that side mo, yung mga gandang bulaklak. Red salvia yung the red one. Matataas na parang saging is a birds of paradise. Wildflower. Ba tayo hawak-hawak. Both sides again, mangosteen tree. Mangosteen tree and still part of 3 hectares. So balik kayo dito August, September, maraming bunga po. Tsaka mabot kami ng 20 pesos per kilo. Oh. Yung tikim pwede 3 kilo para paraan nyo. Tikim ka natin kasi hindi isang kilo na bilhin mo. Cardiac passing through rainbow pass, as you can see, each has flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. It's formally used for prenup, garden wedding, anniversary, monthsary, daysary. You should celebrate every day.
Uy, pangalan mo yun ah. Desiree.
Daysary. Okay na, we're at the Wards of Forest area, so hawak-hawak. By the way, pinababa ko yung private vehicle ito kasi one way lang. And then kumaulan medyo madulas. Leave it to the expert. So way back 1970, na-discovered na bili yung kaya lakarin ng 2 to 3 hours. Pero depende sa lakad yun.
Guys, we are in Bagani Protector. So that's it.